The MCG Tactical Machete, also known as the Blackbeard Navy Cutlass, is an essential tool for any prepper or survivalist. Inspired by the 1917 U.S. Naval Cutlass, this machete is a powerful and reliable companion for all your outdoor and emergency needs. Right now, it's available at a fantastic 67% discount, making it a must-have addition to your survival gear. This machete measures 15 inches in overall length, which is perfect for both handling and storage. It features full-tang construction, meaning the blade extends through the entire handle, providing maximum strength and stability. The blade is crafted from 3CR13 stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to corrosion. With a thickness of over 1/10 inch, this blade can handle heavy use without bending or breaking. The blade is also coated with a rust-proof black finish, enhancing its longevity and giving it a sleek, intimidating look. The glass-reinforced G10 handguard provides a secure grip, ensuring your hand is protected and allowing for precise control. This machete is clearly built for performance and longevity, ready to face any challenge. When it comes to performance, the Blackbeard machete excels. The curved blade design enhances cutting efficiency, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're chopping through thick branches, clearing brush, or even in a close-quarters defense scenario, this machete is up to the challenge. It's essential to have a melee weapon like this, even if you have firearms or other projectile launchers. You never know when you might need a reliable blade for close-range protection or survival tasks. User JD shared his experience, noting how the machete easily handled twigs, raspberry bushes, mesquite trees, and overgrown weeds. The blade remained sharp and undented even after tackling 2-inch branches. This kind of durability and performance is exactly what you need in a survival situation. Handling the Blackbeard is straightforward and comfortable. Its balanced design and the G10 handguard ensure a firm grip, preventing slippage during use. The machete feels solid and weighty, giving you confidence in its capability. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or a novice, the Blackbeard provides a reliable and comfortable experience. Customer reviews for the Blackbeard have been overwhelmingly positive. Loss praised the craftsmanship and quality, stating it exceeded expectations. JD highlighted its sharpness and effectiveness on various types of vegetation. Candace, who purchased the machete twice, noted its durability and the toughness of its sheath. She even bought another after Customs confiscated her first one. These reviews consistently highlight the Blackbeard's quality and performance, reinforcing its reputation as a reliable and powerful tool. One of the most compelling aspects of the Blackbeard is its price. Typically, a machete of this quality would cost over $99.99. However, during the current blowout sale, it's available for just $19.99. This 67% discount, along with free shipping, makes it an unbeatable deal. The MCG Tactical Blackbeard Navy Cutlass is a powerful, well-crafted machete that blends historical design with modern functionality. Its full-tang construction, sharp 3CR13 blade, and durable handguard make it a versatile tool for any prepper or survivalist. The overwhelmingly positive customer reviews further attest to its quality and reliability. With the current limited-time offer, there's no better time to add the Blackbeard to your survival gear. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, clearing brush, or simply looking for a dependable tool, the Blackbeard is ready to impress. Take advantage of this exceptional value and experience the power and durability of the Blackbeard for yourself. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer. The Blackbeard machete is more than just a tool. It's a piece of history and a reliable companion for any prepper or survivalist. With its unbeatable price and free shipping, now is the perfect time to get your hands on this incredible machete. Experience the power and craftsmanship of the Blackbeard for yourself and see why so many users are raving about it.